So this is the current state of our front yard. Just recently we broke up with our lawn, we removed the grass, and we did lasagna mulching. So exactly what lasagna mulching is just like lasagna, patong-patong na mga organic materials, which we started with this cardboard right there. And then pinatungan namin ng compost, and then the top is the mulch. So the intention is to kill the grass organically because I didn't want to use any chemicals. The timeline for this cardboard mag-decompose is about 6 months. And as we move towards the season, maybe fall season, ready na kaming mag-plant. And we're gonna be replacing this with a more sustainable flower bed or a garden that will have California native plants that are water resistant and drought tolerant.